Hi everyone, I am Danielle, and this is Group 5, and that is composed by me, Daniel Melo, and Stefan Zamora. We're going to talk about Chapter 11, Enable and Practice Continuous Integration. So, the main point about continuous integration is that when developers work in different features in the same system, usually they work in different branches. And in a certain moment they have to merge this branch to the system. And the point is, many times this merging happens only in a very long periods of time, what makes it kind of inefficient, because many problems happen when people work in different parts of the code, and when they put them together they're not what they should be, and they cause many problems. So what results in a lot of rework and inefficiency due to this point. So continuous integration was designed to solve emergent problems by making merging into trunk a part of everyone's daily work. So basically, instead of each developer working in its own area, in its own branch, they're all work together, and they're going to merge their code daily, at least once a day, so that they can uh, be connected and do something as a team and not as an individual. So um, there are two differences in optimizations here. So we can optimize for individual productivity. Is that what I said previously? So there are three main points. When every single person on the project works in their own private branch, everyone works independently, and nobody can disrupt anyone else's work. It is something that will help everyone to work faster, will be more productive. It's when I work my own code and I do the things in my own branch. So things will run and will go real fast. But the point is that when it comes to the time of connecting, of merging the the work, the codes that were developed by each one of the developers, merging becomes a complete nightmare. It is extremely difficult because each one worked and did its own job, its own code, and they did not communicate. On the other hand, we can optimize for the team, and here is everyone works in the same common area, and there are no branches, just a long, unbroken straight line of development. And there is nothing to understand, so commits are simple. But there's also the downside, of course. The point is also that anyone can break the code just like this, because we're all in the same line of code. But everyone, as everyone is working in a common area, everyone works in the same line. There's no problem. There's no problem on merging the code. So this is something that it solved. Adopting a trunk-based development. So as I said earlier, adopting a trunk-based development, each developer will check the code at least once a day, so that there will not be that case of merging code just after a long period of time and see the problems after a long period of time. Code is checked daily. At least once a day, everyone is going to check the code. As soon as we check the code, we're going to correct merges, daily. So these merge problems is going to be small. They're not going to be too difficult to see and to correct, instead of waiting too much till it's a huge problem. Gated commits. Gated commits basically are safe commits. When we commit the code, basically what's going to be, there's a automated system that verifies if the merge is correct, if there will not be problems, it's not going to break the code. So just after everything is confirmed that it's going to work well, then it is merged. And after all this, we create from using a one-click process and validate with automated tests. A very important point of this is to automate tests. We cannot just test after the code is in production line. So it's really important to automate tests, make this something that happens in one click, and this will help us to be productive. So basically, daily commits to the trunk will help the team find merge problems early in the development process, thus helping them to solve and complete projects as fast as possible. Large branches will make them lose a long and precious time trying to fix these merge problems. So this is our presentation. Thanks so much for watching.